So, welcome, boys, in your math class. Today, in math class, we are going to start our new unit. The name of the unit is Numbers to 100. So, before we start the questions, there are some few questions that they have given us to remind or to jog our memory. So, first question is split each number into tens and ones. These are from the topic that we have already finished. So when we start, that 4 is the 1 and 8 is the tens. So 4 ones and 88 tens. Okay, next one, that is 37. So 7 is going to be ones and 30 is the tens. 5 is the ones. In 65, we have 5 ones. So in 65, 5 is going to be ones and 60 is tens. That was question number 1. Moving on to question number 2. Share 20 strawberries between 4 bowls. Complete the division number between the 5 bowls. Complete the division number sentences. So this is a division question. You know that in previous how we solved the division questions. We put them in the groups. So let's put them in the group. 4 strawberries in each group. 1, 2, 3. We are making groups. 4 and 5. So number of bowls are 5 and total number of strawberries are 20. So how many in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. 4 strawberries in each bowl. So you are going to put 4 strawberries in each bowl. Okay. Moving on to the question number 3. Tick the shapes that show quarters. Here we have shapes, different shapes that show quarters. So we have to check which one is equally divided, and that is the quarter. So first one is A is the correct one. So circle A. B, C is not equally divided. You can see with the lines. D is not equally divided. E is not equally divided. So F, A, B, and F is that shows the right quarters. A, B, and F is the right quarter. Okay, moving on to exercise 8.1. Write in words each of the numbers represented. So we have boxes, blue boxes and red boxes. So what we are going to do, we are going to count them and write it in words, not in numbers. We are going to write them in words. So let's count. It's easy. The blue one, you are going to count them in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. How many are the blue ones? 80. And the red one? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write them. 84. It is 84. Okay, again, the same question. It's easy. What you are going to do? No, we have written it in numbers. Now what we are going to do, we are going to write it in words. $84. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I told you that blue boxes, we are going to count them in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So blue boxes represent tens and red boxes represent ones. Okay, so how many are these? 50. 50 and 7, 57. So first, let's write it in the numbers. 57. And then we are going to write it in words. 57. Okay, number C is 93. So they have given us a numbers. Just what we have to do, we have to write it in words. $93. Okay, so the last one, D part is 31. So let's write it in words. $31. Read the number words and write the numbers. So they have in this question, they have given us in words. We have to write it in numbers. So page number is 119. Question number 2. First part, A part is 42. So what we have to do, we have to write it in numbers 42. Easy, right? Okay. Next one. 76. Number B. 76. 76. Okay. Next one is 25. 68. Last one is 68. So this was super easy first, and the second question was super easy. Everyone understand? Okay, moving on to the third question. Use the number words to write some two-digit numbers in words. How many different numbers can you write? 20, 70, 40, 8, 9. So what we have to do, we have to use these number words and write two-digit numbers in words. Okay, use the number words to write some two-digit numbers in words. So what we am going to do, write with me. 28. 79. 48 and 49. So they have given us few numbers in words. We have to combine those numbers and make two-digit numbers in words. So this is the answer for the numbers they have given us, and we have used those number words, number words to make two-digit numbers in words. Okay, example 1, round 74 to the nearest 10. Round down. So when the number is less than 5, what we do, we round it down. Means 74 is nearer to the 70 than to the 80. If the number is 75, what we are going to do, we are going to write 80. Why? Because 75 is nearer to 80 than it is to the 70. So you can keep in mind that if the number is with 5 or more than 5, you are going to take the next 10 number. If it is less than 5, so you are going to take the back 10s. Okay, we are going to do the example so that you can understand. Round each number to the nearest 10. Use the number line to help you. 64. Look here, for example, here is 64. So what will be 64? It will be 60. Why? Because 64 is nearer to 60 than to 70. 72. Less than 5. Less than 75. So it will be 70. This is called rounding to 10. Okay, 81. 80 comes before 81, so it is 80. Okay. Next one is 56. 5 and 6 ones. 6 is more than 5. We have to see the ones first of all. So 6 is more than 5. So what will be? We will write 60. We will not write 50, we will write 60. Why? Because once we have 6 and 6 is more than 5. Understand? Okay. 49. 9 ones. After 49, what comes? 50. So 9 is more than 5, so we will write 50. Okay, 23. See the ones. How many ones are there? 3 ones. 3 ones are less than 5 ones. So what we are going to take? 20 or 30? 20. Yes. Because the ones are less than 5. So we will say it is 20. Again, 27. 27. 7 ones are more than 5. So what we are going to say? 30. Because it is more than 5. We are going to take next tens. 35. So 35, 5 or more than 5, I told you. So it will be 40. We are going to take the next tens. 30. 30 will come as it is because there is no ones. So we will say it is 30 is the rounding. Question number 5, a number rounded to the nearest 10 is 60. What could the number be? So there was a number and we rounded it and we write 60. So what could be the number? We can say it can be 56, 57, 58, 59. It can be 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So if the number was between these numbers, we rounded it and we write it 60. So this could be the numbers that were rounded and were written as 60. So those numbers, when we are rounding, first of all, we will see the ones. If the ones are less than 5, we are going to take the back tens. If it is more than 5, so we are going to take the next tens. Question number 6, find 4 different ways to regroup 31. Draw or write your answers. So what we did, we write the answers. We have find 4 different ways to write 31. If you are adding 1 with 30, it is 31. 20 plus 11 is 31. 21 plus 10 is 31. And if you keep on adding 10, 10, 10 plus 1, it is 31. So these are 4 different ways to regroup 31.